Right now, you are working harder than ever, but still struggling to save money, pay bills, or build real freedom for yourself. Jobs feel less secure, prices keep rising, and you want extra income but have no idea where to begin. The good news is, starting a business in 2026 no longer requires a big investment, a big office, or a full team of employees. In many cases, one machine costing less than your phone can generate $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and I will tell you how. In this video, I'm showing you 7 business machines that ordinary people are already using to make money from home, on weekends, or from small local setups. Some of these businesses need very little space. Some can run with one person. Stay until the end because the last machine costs under $1,000, requires zero experience, and is one of the least competed businesses in most cities right now. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 7. Automatic clothes folding machine. Let's start with a machine that turns one of the most hated household chores, folding laundry, into a legitimate paid service. And yes, people will actually pay for this. This machine was first used mainly in hotels and laundromats, but now small business owners are using it to offer folding services from home or even as a pickup and delivery business, where they collect laundry, fold it, and return it the same day. The process is easy. You place shirts, towels, pants, or other clothing items onto the tray, and the machine folds them neatly in just a few seconds. Some models can handle up to 12 pieces every minute. You do not need experience, certifications, or even employees to start. Busy families, Airbnb hosts, boutique hotels, gyms, and short-term rental managers all need clean, folded laundry on a regular schedule. The startup cost is usually between $1,800 and $2,500, depending on the machine size and speed. Ongoing expenses stay low because you mainly pay for electricity and your time. Most people charge $1 to $2 per item. If you fold just 200 items a day, which one machine can handle in under 20 minutes, that's $200 to $400 daily. Add a monthly subscription option, and you have predictable recurring profits. It's simple, different, and something most people in your area probably are not offering yet. Number 6. Nano coating machine for mobile phones. Imagine charging someone $20 for a process that takes only a few minutes and uses less than $1 in materials. That's exactly what the nano coating machine lets you do, giving phone screens an invisible protective layer that customers can't get anywhere else in most cities. The process is quick and simple. A customer places their phone inside the machine, the cycle starts, and within minutes, the screen gets an invisible nano layer that protects against scratches, water, and minor impacts. Most people would rather pay a small fee for protection than spend hundreds replacing a cracked screen. This business works well because smartphones are everywhere, and screen repairs can be expensive. Most people are willing to pay for extra protection if the service is fast and affordable. The startup cost for these machines is usually between $1,000 and $2,500, depending on the size and quality of the equipment. The actual coating material costs less than $1 per treatment, but many businesses charge between $15 and $30 for a single application. That creates strong profit margins with very little waste or maintenance. This setup fits perfectly inside phone repair stores, mall kiosks, electronics shops, or even small portable booths at events. It is clean, fast, easy to learn, and still uncommon in many areas. That makes it a smart opportunity for anyone looking for a simple tech-based business with low overhead and repeat customers. Before we continue, help us reach 10,000 subscribers. A simple like and subscribe may seem small, but it genuinely helps this channel grow faster. Number 5. Mini foam production unit. Foam products are used almost everywhere, even though most people never think about where they come from. Chairs, mattresses, office seats, sofas, gym equipment, and packaging materials all depend on foam. That is why this machine can become a surprisingly profitable small business. This setup allows you to produce foam blocks locally and sell them to different industries. The process starts by mixing 2 chemical compounds, polyol and isocyanate, along with stabilizers and colorants. Think of it like mixing 2 liquids that expand and harden into foam. Once combined, the mixture expands into foam and is poured into molds. After it hardens, the foam can be cut into sheets, blocks, or custom shapes. What makes this business interesting is that foam is lightweight, inexpensive to produce, and always in demand. Since foam takes up a lot of space during shipping, many businesses prefer buying from local manufacturers instead of importing it. A basic setup usually costs between $4,000 and $8,000, including molds, mixers, and cutting equipment. Each foam block may cost only $5 to $10 to produce, but many can sell for $30 to over $100, depending on the size and quality. Your customers can include furniture makers, mattress shops, gyms, sports centers, and packaging companies. You can even begin from a small garage or warehouse and slowly expand over time. It won't go viral on social media, but this business can generate $5,000 to $15,000 per month in consistent B2B profits, with far less competition than anything trending right now. Comment below. Which machine would you actually start and why? I read every reply. Number 4. Mini Food Truck Modular Unit. Food businesses continue to grow because people always want something quick, fresh, and convenient. That is why this is becoming one of the most exciting low-cost business ideas in 2026. Unlike traditional food trucks that can cost a fortune, these compact mobile setups are much cheaper and easier to manage. Depending on the equipment you choose, the startup cost can range from $4,000 to $8,000. You can use the setup for many different products, including coffee, smoothies, tacos, burgers, hot dogs, waffles, shaved ice, or fresh juices. The flexibility is what makes this business powerful. You can move to parks, schools, festivals, nightlife areas, or busy weekend events where customers are already gathering. Many food items cost only 50 cents to $2 to make, but often sell for $4 to over $10 each. At a busy weekend festival or farmer's market, a single vendor with a food cart can serve 100 to 200 customers in one day. That's $400 to $1,000 in a single afternoon. Another advantage is that you do not need to rent an expensive store location when starting out. Many people even run these setups part-time on weekends or rent them to other food creators for extra income. One busy weekend event can sometimes outperform an entire week at a regular job. Number 3. Seed Capsule Dispenser. Now, let's talk about a small machine tied to a growing movement: eco-friendly living and home gardening. This machine helps create biodegradable seed pods that make planting easier, cleaner, and more convenient. Here is how it works. The machine fills small biodegradable capsules with seeds and compost material, then seals them into ready-to-plant pods. People can simply place the capsule into soil, water it, and let nature do the rest. This idea is becoming popular because more schools, community programs, gardeners, and environmentally conscious customers are looking for simple planting solutions. The capsules are clean, lightweight, and easy to package or ship. The startup cost is usually around $2,000 to $4,000, depending on the machine size and automation level. The actual production cost stays very low because each capsule only costs a few cents to make. Many businesses sell them for $2 to $5 each, especially when packaged as educational kits or gift products. There are several ways to sell them. Some people supply garden stores and eco shops. Others work with schools, fundraisers, or local green projects. Some even place them inside vending machines at parks or public spaces. What makes this business interesting is that it combines profit with a positive message. It is simple to start, easy to scale, and connected to a growing market that continues to expand every year. Number 2. Equipment rental business for events. Some people make more in a single weekend rental than others make working all week. This idea is one of the simplest ways to build recurring income with machines people already love using at parties and celebrations. Instead of owning a venue, you rent out popular event equipment, bounce houses, photo booths, cotton candy carts, speakers, and party lighting. The kind of things people want at every birthday, wedding, or school event. You deliver the equipment, customers enjoy the event, then you pick everything up and get paid. Some owners even charge extra for delivery and setup services, which increases profits even more. The startup cost can begin around $1,500 to $3,000 if you start with only a few rental items. From there, you can slowly add more equipment as bookings grow. Many machines can rent for $50 to $200 per day, and most customers rent multiple items at the same time. That means a single weekend booking can bring in solid income from just one event. This business works especially well because events happen all year long, and people constantly need entertainment for guests. It is flexible, scalable, and one of the few businesses where your inventory makes money while you sleep, because someone else is using it at their party. Number 1. Snack Sealing and Packing Machine. This final machine can turn ordinary homemade snacks into products that look ready for supermarket shelves. This machine helps small food businesses package products quickly, while giving them a clean and branded appearance. This machine works with many different snack products, including popcorn, chips, nuts, dried fruits, trail mix, protein bites, and other homemade foods. After preparing the snack, you place it into pouches or packaging bags, and the machine seals everything neatly in seconds. Some advanced models can even remove air or add gas flushing to help products stay fresh longer. People often decide whether food looks premium within seconds, and packaging plays a huge role. A professionally sealed bag instantly makes a product look more trustworthy and valuable. The startup cost is very beginner-friendly. Small tabletop sealers can cost between $600 and $1,500, while larger automated systems may range from $3,000 to $8,000. Packaging materials usually cost only 10 cents to 30 cents per bag, but many packaged snacks sell for $2 to $6 each, depending on the branding and ingredients. You can sell your products at convenience stores, farmers markets, gyms, cafes, food fairs, or online platforms like Amazon. Over time, you are not just selling snacks. You are building a recognizable brand that customers can come back to again and again. That's the list of 7 machines. Real numbers, real opportunity. As you can see, building a business in 2026 does not always require huge investments or complicated systems. Sometimes, the right machine, the right idea, and consistent action are enough to create something profitable. Some of these businesses can start from home, some can grow into full-time income, and some are still hidden opportunities that many people around you have never even noticed yet. Most people wait for the perfect moment before starting something new. But the people building real income usually start small, learn fast, and improve along the way. And if you stayed for the promise from the start, the snack sealing machine starts under $1,000, and it's already working for thousands of small food brands. That's your entry point. Whether it's a small food setup, a rental business, packaging products, or offering useful services, one smart move today could completely change your future income. I hope this video gave you at least one idea worth thinking about seriously. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to start a business but doesn't know where to begin. And comment below which machine you think has the biggest potential.